Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so thankful that you're here. My name is Grace and I'm currently 22 weeks pregnant with twins. So this video I'm going to show you guys what the genders of my babies are. I am so mad at myself because we live far away from family, and so we did a kind of gender reveal situation just over Facebook Live. And that was fine. And so I had that footage, but I had my big wonderful camera set up as well, but I forgot to hit record. I was so nervous about the whole Facebook Live thing because I hadn't really ever done a Facebook Live and I was just distracted, and so I forgot to hit record. So the only footage I have is terrible. It's the Facebook Live footage. So I'm going to show it to you guys, but unfortunately, it's just not very good footage, but it still, it does what it's supposed to do, tells you what the genders are. But oh my goodness, I'm very emotional while I'm pregnant, apparently. So I just broke down and cried after it was over, because we had been planning it for weeks and ordered the little Canons, and I wanted to make a really nice video for you guys, and then I forgot to hit record. So it is what it is. So this is the very awkward footage of us doing a Facebook Live, and then I also have some reactions. My mom and dad filmed their reaction of watching the Facebook Live, and then my sister was with her two kids, and they have quite the reaction. So I'll throw those in as well. But I hope that you enjoy this terrible footage. I hope that it's still enjoyable to watch. We just have two little Canons that we're gonna whatever, and they are biodegradable. I just have to say that. My earthy granola girl, I just have to let everyone know I'm not killing the earth with these. Okay, there's some guesses. Yeah, throw in your guesses what you think they are. Brandon and I do know. We found out a couple weeks ago. I couldn't not know. And do a gender reveal is too scary for me. We'll wait just a couple minutes left, and then we'll do this. Do you want to say anything?
Hi.
We have our little basset hound over there. He's joining us.
Give.
We'll do a little.
Come here.
Bring the dog in real quick, and then we'll do the Canons. Okay, let's just go ahead and maybe I have to turn this around. Can I turn it around? I feel so old. Yes, I can turn it around. I didn't know if you could do that once you're live. Okay, you go out there.
Okay.
We're gonna do one at a time because, I like the anticipation.
Are you gonna come over here?
Yes, of course I'm gonna come over there. All right, let's do this. So. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's a girl! That one's a girl. Little girl. And then maybe number two.
I might go more this way.
Two girls! I was right.
You were right, madam.
Two girls! Yay! Disney princesses that I will indoctrinate with Disney and sparkles and rainbows. So we have an audience here at the park. So yeah, that's it. We're having two little girls. What do you think? You're covered in pink now.
I am.
You're gonna be a girl dad. How do you feel?
Feel great.
Good. I guess that's pretty much all that we have to say. We love you guys. Thank you guys for joining us for all of 4 minutes of your day. We appreciate you guys. And yeah, I guess that's it. We love you guys.
Hey, what do you think it's gonna be, guys?
Girl.
Girls? Both girls?
Yeah.
Both boys?
Those girls.
What do you think, Dee?
Boy, girl.
Boy, girl? I think boy, girl. Titus, what do you think?
Go.
Okay, here, hold on. They're gonna do this. Let's watch. Pink! Pink! One girl. Oh, Titus is excited. Titus is excited. Oh, it's okay, Jay. Two girls. Hey, Dawson, that just means you get to be the special boy in the family with Titus. What do you think, Sarah?
I'm scared.
Well, I need to go comfort the second one. Why are so emotional about this? I don't know.
So there you go, we're having 2 little girls. We are so excited. It feels so nice to know and to have it out in the world for people to know. We were a little surprised. I went for an ultrasound at 13 weeks and they did a really long ultrasound, and the ultrasound tech was like, now don't go out and buy anything, but do you want me to tell you what I think the genders are? And so of course I said yes, and she was like, don't buy anything, but I'm never wrong. And she was wrong. She told us, and she even showed us all the things that she was looking at. She guessed that it was a boy and a girl. And so we hadn't like gotten our hearts set on that or anything, but we had kind of just started to think that way and, you know, picture what life would be like with a little boy and a little girl. And apparently boy-girl fraternal twins is the most common fraternal twins. So we were just feeling like that's what we were having. And then when we went to our actual anatomy scan, the ultrasound tech, which was a different tech, told us or showed us that we were having 2 girls. And so it took a little bit of an adjustment, especially for me. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna have like a little sister moment. I'm so excited. But yes, 2 little girls. So I'm glad that you guys now know, so I can refer to them as hers and she's and things like that. I'll show you a belly update. So that's my 22 week baby belly. I didn't really get much of a belly until around like week 16 or something, and then all of a sudden it just like exploded. So now I feel very large, but I know it's gonna get even bigger. Whew. But yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any tips on baby girls and raising girls and things like that, please let me know, because it's gonna be a lot of females in this house. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I had to say. I know this is kind of a short video, but next week I will be back with, I'm gonna talk about kind of a heavier subject next week. So I'll look forward to that. Make sure, I would love if you would like and subscribe, hit that little bell notification. Getting back into YouTube, this has been quite the journey in itself. So I'm so excited that you're here and you're watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, wherever you are. Bye.